thunderbolts. I got this feeling that I'm turning into someone new. I got this feeling that the ceiling is for bursting through. I got this feeling and now nothing is frightening. I got this feeling I can summon up lightning. I got this feeling and just what it is God only knows. But here it goes. Stood on a sea of pain. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. I'll be back on my feet again. 'Cause I am a mountain.
Two proud clubs from England's northwest, and some say this is the most heated rivalry in the country. Manchester United hosting Liverpool, always special. Next on EA TV. It is a meeting of two northwest rivals, and one of the biggest games in English football without any shadow of a doubt. Manchester United against Liverpool coming up here at Old Trafford. I'm Derek Ray. Joining me for commentary is Stuart Robson. And Stuart, we're both thoroughly looking forward to this one.
Absolutely, and this is one of the great rivalries, Derek, and I think it's fair to say there's not a lot of love between these two clubs. Let's hope we get an entertaining game here.
Well, Manchester United have chosen this particular shape. Andre Onana is the goalkeeper. Diogo Dalot starts with Grimaldo in the fullback positions. And handed a solo role in attack is Marcus Rashford. So the starting lineup for Liverpool. Virgil van Dijk plays alongside Ibrahima Konate in central defence. And leading the line today is Federico Chiesa. And the contest begins. Gakpo. And the flag does go up, offside. Lisandro Martinez. The Red Devils have lost the ball. Really fine piece of defending play to break us up. So a throw in here for Liverpool. So Bosley. Liverpool might be able to cash in. Now can he get on the end of this one? Chiesa. Not a great pass. You can't help feeling when you look at the table that when you're playing dominant football such as they have been, that they're going to lap the field.
Well, there seems to be no stopping them at the moment. They've been by far and away the best team. Unless something drastic happens, I can't see how they let this slip.
So Bosley. Patient enough build-up. Can they carve out a chance? Opportunity! And there it is! The open A real jolt to the home fans.
Well, here you can see it again. Good run, great strength, and a composed finish under pressure. That's a top-class goal.
Action underway once more. Let's see if United have the wherewithal to square the game. Lisandro Martinez. Diogo Dalot on the ball. Todibo. It's with Martinez. And playing it to the goalkeeper. Bruno Fernandes. Given away by Manchester United. Girassi. Gakpo. And that's great work to make sure it didn't go over the line. Good use of the ball as they look to extend their lead. Could be! And just over the bar. Really good effort. That's effective pressure, high up the pitch. Gives it a go, and that's a very good parry. Benassa. Liverpool in a position of menace. That's a good pass. Well, the bar can be the goalkeeper's best friend. And United will get the throw-in.
Well, United are still only one down, but I'm not sure how. That was so close, wasn't it? They need a reaction now.
Well, now it's all about forgetting that that was such a close shave and using the ball themselves advantageously. And that's going to be the goalkeeper's ball. So Bosley. Benassa. The ball with Chiesa. Well, good run and good ball control. Girassi. And quite simply wide of the target. Ugarte. Bruno Fernandes has it. And with that, the attack fizzles out.
Well, Liverpool have dominated possession in the last 15 minutes, and their attacking play has been excellent. Surely only a matter of time before they extend their lead here.
And under pressure, that was a fine claim. McAllister. Gakpo. So Bosley. Good visualisation and execution. Oh, but just unable to unlock the defence. Oh, he's lost possession. The pressure was high, and they could be in here. Brilliant save. Ibrahima Konate. So Bosley. Girassi. And the pass not quite accurate enough. And a throw in then. Well, he was in the right place to intercept. And they will be awarded a free kick for that. And that is going to mean a caution.
The referee is absolutely right. He knew what he was doing there.
Gakpo. And the cross goes in. Clearance left a bit to be desired. Oh, could be an opportunity here. Oh, that's a really good run. Well, a powerful effort, but just wide. Diogo Dalot. Free kick awarded to Liverpool. And slipped through beautifully. And effectively parried away by the keeper. Effective challenge. Able to skip past his man. Nicely blocked. Liverpool pushing to add to the lead. It'll be a corner. And played short. Gakpo. And deflected behind, so a corner here. Can he deliver it with accuracy? And defending right on the line. And stopping the danger. Well, we can see what they're attempting, but it's just not coming off. Gakpo, and a useful cross. It'll be a Liverpool ball. Well, the attack carried promise, but petered out. Gakpo. So 2 minutes of stoppage time to be added on. Liverpool have given it away. And all the way through it goes to the goalkeeper. Towards the near post. So no more time left. That concludes the first half here at the Theatre of Dreams. Back underway then, and work to do for United given the scoreline. Bruno Fernandes has it. And it's United's turn now. Chance to set up an equaliser from the corner.
Well, as you can see, it wasn't even close, was it? No debate about that one.
Playing it in. They make the catch under pressure. Virgil van Dijk. Benassa. Really good challenge. It's going to be United's free kick. Got in the way. And in the end, no damage done. McAllister. Now in a more than decent position. Oh dear. Well, that's not one that's going to linger long in the memory.
Well, he had a go there. Nothing wrong with that. But he's got that all wrong. Well, as you can see, United have been getting into some good areas, but their finishing has just let them down so far. They've got to be more clinical.
Out for a Liverpool throw. Well, there's been so much talk about a potential transfer, but it's potential no more. It's fact.
Well, they've got a real bargain here. He's such a good player, and he brings so much to this team. This is a really great deal for the club.
Konate. Girassi. Gakpo. Chances on. And a strong glove on the ball from the keeper. Plenty of support here. Such an important goalkeeping intervention under pressure. Diogo Dalot. Just a quick reminder, we have more action from the Premier League coming your way. It's Liverpool facing Manchester City. Federico Chiesa. Girassi. The ball with Chiesa. Chiesa. Crossing possibilities. Terrific block there. Alexander-Arnold. Konate. McAllister. Well, there was impending danger, but good defending. A complete miscue by the goalkeeper. Will there be a price to pay? But a big sigh of relief. I'll tell you what, it almost proved costly.
Well, I think it's fair to say he's got away with a big mistake there.
And out of play, the pass nearly worked out, but not quite. And the substitution will occur now. And United will switch things around personnel-wise. Girassi. So Bosley. Could be dangerous. With an astute piece of defending. Girassi. Just the challenge that was required. Bentancur. This could square the game. Oh, great defending. Alexander-Arnold. Girassi. Well, a decent position for Liverpool to be in. McAllister. An alert piece of defending. And Liverpool free kick coming up. So making the substitution now. Can they get in behind them? Benacer. And it's opening up. Well, putting it wide from there. A pity, really. Bentancur. Good ball over the top. And very deftly cut out. Well, we're inside the final quarter of an hour now. An attack full of promise. Excellent defending. Can he find the right pass? And fine reading of the situation. Ball back with Liverpool now. And the counter-attack is on. Options available. Just 10 minutes to go. Joe Gomez. It is advantage Liverpool here. Well, trying to let them continue, but now he's gone back and awarded the free kick. Well, he's gone into the book.
Well, he was late and he deserved a booking for that.
Determined defending. Out of play, United throw-in coming up. Rasmus Højlund. Manchester United battling the clock and the scoreline. He's going forward well here. But it fizzles out thanks to that piece of defending.
Well, with the support of these fans, United are throwing...
Oh, it's developing nicely for them here. The fans want to see a shot. Pounded away by the keeper. Benacer. So Bosley. McAllister. advantage here. United keep it. Oh, that's a super piece of defending. Perhaps they can counter from here. Gakpo. This could finish it! And somehow the goalkeeper got to it. And the referee has caught up with him following his indiscretion earlier. And over comes the corner. And a goal! They lead by 2 now. And that allows them to breathe a bit more easily.
Well, here it is again. It's a good delivery from the corner, and then what a great finish as well. Good connection with the ball, leaving the keeper with little chance. It's a great goal.
So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. Diogo Dalot. So Bosley. And Liverpool exploiting the space on the flank here. Gakpo. And there it breaks down, but credit to the defence. And the referee blows for full time. The big headline here, defeat for United. Your assessment of the game?
Well, Derek, they were certainly off the pace today. Beaten to the ball in too many key areas. They need to refocus now and perform better next time out.
And the contest begins. Opportunity. Could be. And just over the bar. Really good effort. Girassi. Oh, that's a really good run. Well, a powerful effort, but just wide. And it's opening up. Joe Gomez. Gakpo. This could finish it. Well, somehow. And over comes the corner. And a goal! They lead by 2 now. And that allows them to breathe a bit more easily. And the contest begins. And patient enough build-up. Can they carve out a chance? Opportunity! And there it is! The opening goal in the derby for Liverpool! A real jolt to the home fans! And over comes the corner. And a goal! They lead by 2 now. And that allows them to breathe a bit more easily.